Speed wobbles occur for a variety of reasons, and in this video, we're gonna take a look at them. The first thing I would recommend is taking a peek at your actual trucks on your board. Loose trucks give you too much turning ability, which is good for turning when you're at slower speeds, but when you're going faster, it's gonna be hyper responsive. This is especially apparent if your back truck is looser than your front truck. This would mean that your back truck is doing the majority of the turning rather than the front, which is gonna fishtail you really hard and it'll make it a lot more difficult to actually ride. If your trucks are looser, you're gonna go on and grab a skate tool or something that you can actually screw the bolts in a bit more to tighten your trucks and make them around the same tightness. If your trucks are fine and you're still experiencing speed wobbles, the other thing that may be occurring is that you're not properly standing on your board. A lot of beginner riders have their back foot at the back bolts and their front foot about the middle part of your actual board itself. Now this is usually the most comfortable when riding on flat surface or just around your neighborhood, but when you're actually going downhill or picking up speed, you're gonna wanna shift your weight forward more. This means that you're gonna want to shift your front foot to the front bolts on your board itself, and then your back foot is gonna be around the middle of the board itself. You just wanna make sure that your knees are staying bent and that your center of gravity is lower. Then from here, especially if you're going downhill, you're gonna wanna then put a little bit more weight in your front foot, about 60% of your body weight in that front foot, about 40% of your weight is gonna wanna be in the back foot. And the last tip I have for you is to gain confidence on your board itself. This comes with just experience and practicing, being on your board, adjusting your weight ever so slightly, and then gradually increasing the steepness of whatever hill you may be riding on. If I may have missed anything in this video, please drop a comment down below so you can help us all. As always, my name is Pennyboard Tyler. Thank you so very much for taking time out of your day to watch. Really does mean a lot, and I will catch you on my next adventure. Peace out and happy riding.